And take one. Give us a wave.
Huh?
Carrots, celery, rosemary, sage, chili, ginger, onion, lemon, garlic, shiitake mushrooms. Here's the bad boys. Bag of chicken feet. It's going to cost you about £1 for 20.
What?
And special treat today, we're going to put some chicken necks in.
What?
And a chicken carcass. Now for the nail cutting. Now, for those who don't eat meat, don't worry. You won't be eating meat. You'll just be eating bones. Did you know that chicken stock is actually nature's penicillin? Yeah, that's why Granny always gave it to you when you were ill. Now, I'm a bit cheeky, but when you weren't looking, I put loads of salt, black pepper, some turmeric powder, and a couple of bay leaves. Fill the whole thing up with water. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm going to leave it for 24 hours. I might come and check on it. I might turn it down to medium or low. And what you'll find, the carcass will slowly dissolve completely. And then you'll get a bit more room, so you could maybe put a bit more water in. Let's just see how it goes. And there we have it. After about 10 hours in the fridge, it becomes all jelly-like.